Good morning students. Welcome back to English class. Hope you all are staying safe at home. Today I would like to ask you one question students. What is the safest place for any living being on this earth? Yes? Okay. Let's see this one. Let's move on to the next slide and see a bird. So a bird all day long it goes on to various places and finally at the end of the day where does it come back? To its house. To its house or a home. Its living place is called a home or a house. Yes, it's its home. It is its home. It comes back to its home. Okay. What about these people? As soon as the national-wide lockdown has been started, all these people, those who have migrated to different places for their work, in search of work, they started coming back, right? They started coming back where? To their own place, to their living place, their hometown, in search of their home. They started coming back, and these pics are very much familiar to you because you might have recently viewed all these pics, and there was a lot of news about this immigrant labor, because as soon as they came to know that there was no source of any income, they decided that this place is not anymore safe for us. So let's start going to our own places. Let's start going to our home or house. Do you think the place where they were living, they used to live, their workplace, did they feel like it was their home? If they have felt so, would they try very hard to come back to their hometowns? What do you tell? Did they think so? They might have just thought that is their house, that is a workplace for them. They did not feel like it was their home. So they started moving. Now, okay, to make it clear, let's move on and clear more and more doubts whether it is called their house or a home, or what is the difference between a house and a home. What is the difference between a home and a house? Yes, these are two pics. Where do people live? In their houses. Won't it be called as a home? What is the difference? Let us move on to find out. To make it clear, Loren M. Hulley, he has written a poem, and through that poem he has cleared many of our doubts. The difference between a house and a home. Let us find out what he has written. Yeah. Here is the poem. Poem 1 of your honeysuckle textbook. A house, a home, and let's go through the poem once. What's a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard. Some window of glass and perhaps a yard. Its eaves and chimneys, tile floors, and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What's a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. So, what's a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard. A house is made of brick and stone. And wood that's hard for windows and everything. Wood is also used while constructing a house. And perhaps a yard. Yard means here? Yard means the outer space of the house or the backyards also, where garden and everything else will be there. That is yard. Its eaves and chimneys. Eaves means the part of the roof the part of the roof that hangs out over the walls to provide shade, elevations of the roof. The part of the roof, I'll show you the pics even. And chimneys. Chimneys means where a pipe which takes all the smoke or combustion gases up from the fire while cooking or anything. If smoke comes, that will be that comes out through the chimneys. And tile floors, even floors have tiles. And stucco and roof. Stucco means that is a fine paint used for wall surfaces, stucco. And lots of doors, yes, lots and lots of doors also will be there. So what's a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. Now let's see what's a home. What's a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. So what's a home? It is loving and family. It is all of love and family members. Love between all the family members. And doing for others. Caring and doing all the things for others. Sacrificing. Okay. And doing all the chores and doing all the work or everything for others. No selfishness. And also it's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. So a home consists of brothers, sisters, fathers, mothers, all together a loving family. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing. No selfishness will be there in their activities. Everything loving and caring and doing for others. No selfishness. This is mine. This is, I won't give you this or I won't take it. Like that, nothing will be there. No selfishness. Everything for others. Unselfish acts. And kindly sharing and showing your loved ones, you are always caring. You kindly share the things among yourself, showing your love towards them. And you are always, and you show through that love, you show you are always caring for them. A home is a house where you find family members loving each other and doing for others, and brothers, sisters, unselfish activities. These all make a house a home. Clear, children? Let me tell. What's a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. So, a home is a house again. A home is a house where you find your loved ones doing all the things for others without any selfishness and kindly sharing everything among themselves, showing your love and care towards them. That is a house. I hope you understand the difference between a house and a home. A house, you can build as many houses as you can with brick, stones and with stucco, yards, eaves and chimneys. You can build houses, and all those houses can be homes when there is a loving family. Yes, when there is a loving family, then it becomes a home. Yes, I hope you are staying safe at home with all your family members. When all your family members staying happily in a house, it becomes a sweet home, a lovely home, and I hope you are sharing your love and care without any selfishness among your family members and staying home safe. Yes? No, now meet you in the next class with your notes and others. Okay? Thank you for now. Bye.